Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm Premium unboxing. Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month. And I just wanted to go ahead and apologize for my bank situations that is going on here today. Something happened overnight. Don't know what's going on with them. I also haven't decided whether or not I am keeping them. Like, is it time to grow them out before summer? Like, is it... I'm sorry. I'm trying to decide if I want to grow them out before summer because I don't know if I want to mess with them during the summertime. I'm crazy today. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a bigger box, so that's why I am assuming it is Boxycharm Premium. Remember the things that I like, choice. I don't even remember what is up for choice. So we have the card, looks kind of Valentine-y. It says adore. And I've never seen this before, and I know somebody saying it, that I have box variation 22 down here in the corner. I believe that's what that means. Okay, the first thing I have in here is from Korres. Guave Body Butter Beurre Corporel. Oh, it's guava and it's body butter. There's just like a different language underneath each thing. I thought it was, I don't know. I have no explanation for myself. There it is. Body butter. Is there a cap? There is a little thing on it. I'll go ahead and just take it off. That means I just gotta use it. It says 93.9% natural. A stimulating scent of tropical fruits. Looks like lotion or body butter. I think I got a hint of coconut at first, but now I'm not for sure. Let's see if I can see anything that... Flower seed oil, shea butter, avocado oil, guava fruit extract. I'm not for sure what the smells are. It smells kind of tropical-y, but not strong. So there's that. And that is Korres body butter, $32. This rich and luxurious body butter deeply softens, smooths, and nourishes the skin. Our shea butter moisturizer is the perfect lotion for dry skin, helping to improve elasticity and smoothness. My hands feel pretty good. Okay, next in here is from Glow Recipe. It is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Like, very cute. I don't know if you're supposed to shake that. I'm gonna scoot back a little bit. That smells good. I like that. That is a good mister. At least I think so. Are you supposed to use, is this like a setting spray or is it before? I don't know. Let's read about it. $28, which is expensive. Immerse skin into a hydrating mist so fine and delicate it envelops your skin like a dreamy morning fog. This formula is packaged with a juicy blend of 84% watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAs to refresh skin and enhance makeup. Maybe both? Before? After? Refresher? Next in here is from Tarte. We have base tape, and I have used base tape because I got it as a sample in Ipsy, just the regular glam bag, before, and I don't think I've had any complaints with it. But they look like that will last forever, because maybe I should be using more primer or whatnot, but I maybe thrown away one primer because it was empty and it was a sample. Like, it takes me forever to go through primers. So let's see what it says about this. Double duty base tape hydrating primer. Prep yourself before your perfect... What? Prep yourself before your... Ugh. Prep yourself before you perfect yourself. What? Prep yourself before you perfect yourself. Turn up the base. This vegan coconut priming serum that hydrates your skin for 12 hours. This rich yet lightweight makeup magnet is infused with a blend of coconut and botanicals to help nourish and smooth the skin's appearance. $30. Something from Fascia. To me, I really want to say focaccia, but that is delicious bread. So I'm not for sure what this is. 24K gold foil moisturizer? The eye is confusing because see how like the bottom of the eye is like down there? I'm so confused. Plastic is not my friend. Make sure you shake that Glow Recipe thing because there's like watermelon particles in there. This looks interesting. It looks very fancy. Suitable for all skin types. Massage a small amount over face and neck until fully absorbed. Did this leak? Watch. Ew, it's so sticky. So sticky. Can you see that? Okay, don't smell anything. I really like the feeling of that. That would have been really nice. That's weird. I guess I'm on the outside right here. It was so sticky, but it rubs in so nice. Ooh, and it's not, now it's not sticky at all. Huh. Neato. It looks expensive. I wonder if it is. I mean, it has gold, right? Doesn't that make it expensive if it has gold in it? Or it says it has gold in it? And behind a greasy residue. I would agree with that. Let's see. Fascia. The 24 karat gold moisturizing cream helps dry areas disappear. The 24 karat gold moisturizing cream helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture into the skin. I agree with that. $100. Told you that packaging made it fancy. $100. With all the skincare that I get, my face better look amazing by the time I'm 50 or 40, whatever's going to happen in life. But it should look amazing. Last thing, or is that two more things? Two more things. Oh, that stuff really settles quick, or like rises quick. Okay, next. Not peeking, not peeking. Do you want this? Or do you want you? I want this. This is, oh, from Hourglass. This is their ambient lighting blush. Yes, I think this may be my like first Hourglass item. Something in a sample. I just cannot think of anything. So I am really excited about this. Packaging looks like it's not as thick as I thought they were. I thought they were very thick. Already got stuff on it. This is the shade Diffused Heat. That did not do any good. There's what it looks like. Pretty. Brush here. Just see if we can even see it. Shall we? I said shall. That's pretty pigmented. There. That's pretty good. I like it. I'll be interested to see what it looks like without anything else on top of it. Underneath it. Oh, and Hourglass. Hourglass. That blush is $40. This is going to be a high value box. Okay, the last thing in here, I gotta find a way to keep this thing polished. Look at my shirt. Whoever watches this video, drop a comment down below if you know what this, or like what movie this shirt is from. Kudos to you. Okay, this right here is our last thing. It is the Picante palette from Tarte. This is what I chose because, was it between two things or was it three things? I don't remember what the other choice was, but one of the other choices was was it the straightener this month or is it a curling one? I think it was a straightener. And I already have 4 straighteners, so I didn't need another one. I didn't need another face palette either. More use out of this than I would a hair straightener because truthfully I like my hair curly anywho and I cannot curl my hair with a straightener. So I thought I'd try this. So it looks like that again. Open it up. Please don't scratch anything. Is what it looks like. It is, how many shadows is that? 3 times 7, 21. 21 shadows, right? Okay. That's pretty cool. So whenever I do the try-on section of this, some of these colors, like this Fearless shade, looks a lot like a shade I have in an Ace Butte palette. A lot of these do, actually. From 2 different Ace Butte palettes that I've gotten in Boxycharm. So does Embers. But, I mean, I love a good eyeshadow palette, so I'm going to use it. So, I mean, yeah, this will be fun. And I've already done a sunset look, so I don't know what kind of look I can do with Picante. Sounds like I should be making some sort of food. It's spicy. Ooh, flamenco dancer. What kind of look? A pinky red. Ooh, a Valentine's Day look, but probably by the time you watch this video, it's way past Valentine's Day. But it is before Valentine's Day whenever I made this video. And the Clarity palette, Clarity, right? Clarity palette was $29. Yep, 21, I did math right. $21. So I'm going to add the totals up here. $259. Wow, that was a good value box. Okay, this stuff is really cool. Really excited to use all of it. However, I'm not going to, of course, I can't do a try on any more than the blush because I don't have I have makeup on, so I can't. And I want to use things from my Boxycharm, regular Boxycharm box to be able to do a complete look. So, thank you for watching this part of the video. Bye!